Then George Mendel, he is also known as father of genetics. He is known as the father of modern genetics. Of George Mendel developed the principles of heredity while studying 7 pairs of inherited characteristics in pea plants. Although the significance of his work was not recognized during his lifetime, it has become the basis for the present-day field of genetics. Then what did Mendel approached are conducted hybridization, artificial pollination, cross pollination experiment for 7 years, which was started from 1856 and it ended at 1863, and proposed law of inheritance, applied statistical analysis and mathematical logic for biology problems, large sampling size, greater credibility to data, experiments through breeding pea lines, continuous self-pollination. He also used to do self-pollinating, confirmation of inference from experiments on successive generations of test plants proved general rules of inheritance. Mendel investigated two opposing traits, tall and dwarf, yellow and green seed. Then afterwards comes that why did Mendel selected pea plant only? Because pure variety are available. Pea plants are easy to cultivate. Life cycle of plants are only few months, so that result can be got early. Contrasting traits are observed. Flowers are bisexual and normally self-pollinated. Flowers can be cross-pollination only manually. Hybrids are factile. Then his hybridization experiments. Mendel selected 7 pairs of true breeding garden peas varieties Pisum Street. The steps of making cross in pea are: first, selection of two pea plants with contrasting characters. Second, removal of anthers of one plant to avoid self-pollination. This is female parent. Third, collection of pollen grains from the other plant, male parent, and transferred to female parent pollination. Fourth, collection and germination of seeds to produce offspring. The 7 characters selected by Mendel are characters: first, stem height, flower color, flower position, pod shape, pod color, seed shape, and seed color. And there are 2 dominant and recessive. Height are tall dwarf, color of flower can be violet and white, flower position is axial and terminal, pod shape can be inflated, constricted, pod color green, yellow, seed shape can be round and wrinkled, seed color will be yellow and green. Then comes inheritance of one gene, which is also known as contrasting character. Monohybrid cross means single, a cross involving two plants differing in one character pair. Example is Mendel crossed tall and dwarf pea plants to study the inheritance of one gene. In this, the example of his cross hybridization is shown. Capital T is used and small t, which means tall and dwarf. That is homozygous dominant and homozygous. When they mix, that small t and capital T comes heterozygous tall, which results in gametes. Here it is shown in table format, which is tall, and tall dwarf. The monohybrid phenotype ratio comes to tall is 3, dwarf is 1, that is 3:1. Monohybrid genotypic ratio comes, that is homozygous tall capital T 1, heterozygous tall capital T small t 2, homozygous dwarf small t 1, that is the ratio is 1:2:1. Then comes to the seed color. Seed color is yellow and green. Yellow is taken in capital Y and green is taken in small y. Yellow we can say it homozygous dominant, and green we can say homozygous recessive. Then one capital Y and small y is taken, and then it becomes heterozygous yellow. Then the second format is in table, which is also known as that Punnett square. In this also mostly yellow colors come. Monohybrid phenotypic ratio of this is yellow is 3, green is 1, that is 3:1. Then monohybrid genetic ratio of this is homozygous yellow capital Y 1, heterozygous yellow capital Y small y 2, homozygous green small y 1, 1:2:1. Then next is seed shape. In this, shape is round and wrinkled, in which round is dedicated as capital R and wrinkled is dedicated as small r, from which capital R and small r are taken. That comes to capital R small r, and this results. There, the second formation is in box form. The monohybrid phenotypic ratio comes to round 3, wrinkle 1, which is 3:1. Monohybrid genotypic ratio comes to homozygous round 1, heterozygous round 2, homozygous wrinkle 1. The ratio comes to 1:2:1. Then the points to be noted are Mendel made similar observations for the other pairs of triads. Based on this, Mendel proposed that something was inherited from parent to offspring. He called them as factors. Factors are now called as genes. Do not use capital T for tall and small d for dwarf, because it is difficult to remember whether T and capital T and small d are alleles of same gene and character or not. The F1, that is capital T and small t, when self-pollinated produces gametes, capital T and small t in equal proportion. During fertilization, pollen grains of T have 50% chance to pollinate eggs of capital T and small t, which the 1/4 of the random fertilization leads to capital T. Then half 2/4 of the random fertilization leads to capital T small t. 1/4 of the random fertilization leads to small t. That is, which the ratio comes to 1/4 capital T, half capital T small t, 1/4 small t. Then we cross it, capital T small t and capital. The binomial expression of it is ax plus by square. Hence, half t plus half small t square, which comes to half capital T plus half small t, and then multiplied by half t plus half t is equal to 1/4 of capital T plus 1/4 of capital T small t plus 1/4 of capital T small t plus 1/4 of small t, which the main answer come is 1/4 of capital T plus half of capital T small t plus 1/4 small t. Then the points of these are: Mendel self-pollinated the F2 and found that dwarf F2 plants continued to generate dwarf plant in F3 and F4 generations. He concluded that genotype of the dwarfs are homozygous, that is small t. Then comes the back cross and test cross, in which back cross means crossing of F1 hybrid back with any of the parent. Second, test cross, crossing of an F1 hybrid with recessive parent. It is were to found out with unknown genotype. Mendel conducted test cross to determine the F2 genotype with small w and capital WW. which comes to this. All means in these tables are all flowers are violet. Unknown flower is homozygous dominant. In this all flowers come violet color, and in this all flowers come in half are in violet and other half are in white. Unknown flower is heterozygous in this. Then tall plant is genotype. Then all plant are tall. Unknown plant is homozygous dominant. In this, half of the plant are tall and other half are dwarf. Unknown plant is heterozygous. Then the principles, Mendel's principle or laws of inheritance. In this differentiation of first law, second law, law of dominance and law of segregation. Law of dominance are characters are controlled by discrete units called factors. Factors gene occurs in pairs. In a dissimilar pair of the factors are member of pair dominant, the other recessive. Second law, law of segregation. During gamete formation, the factor alleles of a character pair parent is parents. A pair present in parents segregate from each other such that a gamete receives only one of the two factors. Homozygous parent produce similar gametes. Heterozygous parent produce two kinds of gametes, each having one allele with equal proportion.